Welcome back, my favorite Python programmers, to a brand new video, and in this one we're going to be looking at another Python quiz. I'll be breaking it down, I'll show you the code, I'll show you the potential answers, you'll take your time to explore what they are or what the potential answer is, and then I'll go through it and explain why some of the choices were possible but incorrect, and where were the small minute details that you should look for next time. So, as you can see right here, this is our code and these are the potential answers. So pause the video, think of what the answers could be, and then watch the breakdown with me. If you are 100% sure of what the answer is, I recommend that you stay because I might explain something that you might not have known before, add some small details. Alright, so let's go ahead and break it down. First of all, right here, as you can see, we have x equals y equals 5, 10. Now, to the untrained eye, you might think that, oh, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. So then the result is going to be different and whatever, and then we're going to get false. That's not the case, because what's happening in here is we're saying x equals y equals 5, 10. So x and y are going to be the same value, and we're going to set both values to the tuple. Yes, you heard that right, the tuple 5, 10. I'll show you what I mean by tuple, and I'll show you why it's a tuple in just a bit. But let's continue on. Now, the next one is result equals x equal y. And this is also another trap where people might think like, is result equal to x? And then when they think that, they might, oh, so it's C. But some of you might think, so result equals x equals y, that means that it's D. So it's 10. But it's not. So it's neither that nor, so it's neither 5 nor 10. Some that know that x is equal to y equal to the tuple 5, 10 will say that, oh, so it's E, so it's 5, 10. Also not the case. What's happening in here, and that is probably because of the lack of parentheses, it's actually the Boolean value resulting from the operation right here. So if we add parentheses, it makes a lot more sense. Result is the value or the Boolean value, which could be either false or true, that results from x double equal y or equal y. And when we have a single equal sign, it means that we are assigning a value. When we have double equal signs, it means that we are comparing two values to see if they are exactly the same value, not the same actual variable or the same actual object. We're checking if their value is the same, and x is equal to y. Why? Because x is equal to y. Why? Because they're both tuples. And these tuples are 5, 10. So what is the result? Well, it's going to be true. Let's right click and run. Hopefully I am correct. And yes, indeed I am. That's why people pay me to teach them Python. Imagine if I got that wrong. That would be so embarrassing. So it's true because they are indeed the same. So this results in a true, and we're printing out the result. Now, let's delve a bit deep. Let's understand or double check that this is indeed a tuple. So I'm going to say type x. What is the type of x? It is a tuple. Let me also print out x and print out y, and we can see that they are both tuples because we said x equals y equals 5, 10. Before we leave, we still have a few minutes. Let's go ahead and print out if x is y. Oh, now this one is an interesting, it's probably gonna come up in some quiz in the future, but what do you think the answer of this would be? So is x is y? If I right click and I run, it is true. So they basically point to the same exact variable, if you want to call them that. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quiz right here. We delved into some more things. We broke it down. We understood exactly what it is. It means that they are the same object. Let's actually also do something in here. I feel like I want to print out the ID as well of x. And what do you think? Are the IDs going to be the same in this case? Of course they are the same. I don't know why I had to look, but of course they are the same because X is Y. So they have the same ID. They are the same exact objects. Yes, the same exact object because they point to the same object that is 5, 10, that is a tuple. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, share it with someone that had no idea what the heck was going on. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Everything will be in the description. If you don't know, I have a Python teaching institute where I take complete beginners and make them into absolute masters when it comes to Python programming. So if you want to join the course, the curriculum, and if you really want to become a master Python programmer, become a software engineer, delve into machine learning, create portfolio projects that will really take you to the next level and help you get into that tech industry, make sure to email me, find my number at the bottom, and just get in contact and we'll get you started. So thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.